In this guide, I'll show you how to record your iPhone screen. So the first thing you want to do is open up settings, and then you want to scroll down on this page, and just beneath general, you want to select control center. Then what you want to do is scroll down on this page, and under more controls is where you'll likely find screen recording, and you want to press the plus sign beside it, which is going to add it to your included controls. Then what you want to do is back out of this area to the home menu, and you want to swipe down in the top right corner of your iPhone, which is going to bring us to the control center. And you'll notice there's a new icon at the bottom with a white circle and another circle around it. So if you go ahead and select that, there will be a countdown. And once this turns red, that means it's now recording your screen. So if we go back to the home menu, you'll also notice in the top left corner that there's a red circle surrounding the time. Now, if you tap on that, what it's going to do is ask you if you want to stop your screen recording. So you can do that, or you can go back to the control center where we were before, and all you have to do is tap that red circle that's flashing and it'll turn it off, and your screen recording will be automatically saved to your photos where you can review it. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.